It means a lot.
Yeah.
I have met people in the streets who are making sure we are ready, making sure we are on the fire, and that's what I like. That's what I've been used to also previous in the clubs I've been in, and for this team and for the green part of Bruges, it's very important. When I meet people on the street, there's much more than you believe. You will believe coming to me and talk about our team and the green part of Bruges. So the togetherness we have, we need to let's say on Sunday. Be a team more than the neighbors will become a team. This is our chance. The derby they always have their own life. Huh?
Yeah.
Of course, there can be teams who's better than the others. There can be individuals that's better than the other. There can be financial muscle that's better than the others. But on the day, it's all about how much heart, how much passion, how much will you put on the pitch. And this is what it's all about for us. We need to make sure that we leave the pitch with the heart out there. We have done absolutely everything. Then we will see how it looks like. The scoreboard take care of itself, but our effort out there and the way we're gonna attack the game, like with passion and heart and so on, it cannot be a question. It's been 2 very difficult games we have played against 2 good opponents. Hard away game in Liège, where we didn't deserve more than a point, and a home game against St. Truiden where we deserved the win.
Yeah.
We on let's say every stats we deserve that, but it becomes hard when you need to hunt, and when you're 3-1 down 10 minutes before the whistle, you take a draw. So we have made some mistakes we need to take away. We have talked about that before, you and I,
Yeah.
and that's the same thing, and that's what still are in my head, because despite of that, I'm really happy with a lot of things from the game last weekend. Millie is a very experienced guy in Belgian football. 17 years he has been here, first as a player, which he did very well, then as an assistant coach, but also tasted the head coach role. He gives me a lot of experience on the bench, in daily training, being there, being himself inside the pitch, but also being in the competition. He's just been there. He knows what it's all about. Playing away to this, playing away to this, playing away to this, and what can we expect, and so on. So there's a lot of things we get with this guy coming in, and then he's just a good guy. He's just a humble guy, and he wanna work very hard, like the rest of the staff. And for me, the most important when you select people is, of course, the knowledge needs to be there, but we need good guys, and he's one of them.